All right, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, this is if this is your first time of coming to this our channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, what we do in this channel is that we teach things that concerns Jamb, post-UTME and admission. All right, so sorry, I was taking water. Sorry. So if this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. We teach things that concerns Jamb, university, post-UTME and admission. Alright, so we also assist our candidate to gain admission. Alright, if this is your first if you have a very low Jamb score and you have been writing Jamb over the years and you want to gain admission this year, we encourage you to join our WhatsApp community. All right, so if you want to join our WhatsApp community, you let me know on the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. All right, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and yeah, and you will message me on WhatsApp, then I'll add you to our community so that you can meet with some other of our candidates there. All right, and interact with your fellow candidates. Okay, so basically I told you, I promised my subscribers that whatever questions I receive from my candidates, I will definitely come here to answer the question so that everybody will learn from it. All right, so they have been coming to ask me about the schools that have started selling their post-UTME or screening form. All right, so they have started calling uh, asking me about the schools. Right, so now I've come with the Nigerian universities that has commenced the sales of post-UTME / screening form for today. Before I start listing the schools that have commenced the sales of this 2024 post-UTME or screening form, I want to tell us that the Jamb official cutoff mark for 2024 admission processes is not out yet. So Jamb, they're supposed to sit for a policy meeting, then after that they will set their cutoff mark for 2024 admission processes, and at that point schools will commence fully for selling post-UTME form. So most of the schools that is selling post-UTME form now is mostly private universities, right, owned by of course so private universities is most of the schools that have commenced the sales of 2024 post-UTME or post-UTME or screening form. So without wasting much of our time, I'll be listing out the schools for you guys. So we'll have the first one on our list. So I advise you get your paper and pencil, or paper and biro, whichever one that is very better for you or is very free for you. You can come with it so that when as I'm listening it now, you'll be, as I'm listing the names, you'll be jotting it down so that you will know. As of today, I'm making this this video, the list of candidates so far, the list of schools so far that have started the sales of post-UTME or screening form is, first one is Fredponam University. Right, Fredponam University. You can Google it, you can look for it. Okay, so if you have any issues after this, you can also let me know in the comment section. I will be right there to answer you. I promise you that. The next one on our list is Edusoko University. They have started the sales of 2024 post-UTME or screening form. The third on our list is Northeastern University. Northeastern University. They have started the sales of 2024 UTME post-UTME form. The next one on our list is Godfrey Okoye University. Godfrey Okoye University. They have started the sales of their form. The fifth one on our list is Richmond University. Richmond University. All right. So the sixth on our list is Wellspring University. Wellspring University. That is sixth on our list is Wellspring University. The seventh on our list is Koladaisi University. That is the seventh on our list, which is Koladaisi University. Then the eighth on our list is Maranatha University. Maranatha University. This is the eighth on our list is Maranatha University. All right. The ninth one there is Elizade University. Elizade University. So you can check for these institutions with your Google search engine. All right. Use your Google search engine to check for these institutions. All right. So that they will help you, and you will know if you are among the people that choose these institutions, so you know that their form has commenced and you can actually pick their form now. Okay, don't forget we will have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 UTME candidates. Okay, so if you want to join our WhatsApp community, let me know on the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. So joining our WhatsApp community, we have a very whole lot to benefit from there. All right, so you can join us. So let's continue. The number 10th on our list is Igbinedion University. Of course, so many of us know the school. These schools I'm mentioning is very popular. You guys know some of them. All right. So the last on our list is the Pan Atlantic University. That's the last on our list, which is the 11th one, Pan Atlantic University. All right. So that's the last on our list. So if this is among the schools or institutions you choose, okay, so you can still message me for your your post UTME registration, all right, because they have commenced. Okay, but if you don't want to message me, you can actually look for a nearby place where you can register your post UTME. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Don't like the way I promise you guys, I'll be giving you guys updates almost on daily basis. Okay, I'll be updating almost on daily basis. Okay, so you stay tuned while I give you what you actually need. All right, so I'll break everything down for you guys. All right, don't forget I love and cherish you guys. Okay, until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget to win, and when you win, you keep winning. Okay.